Hello everyone and welcome to Spawn the Engine. I'm Gurunext and I'm gonna show you what I have done since 2 months for this game. Okay, so first of all I've done this inventory right here. There's a player model, 15 armor slots and jewelry, and there's one backpack. That will have additional inventory space, but this is all you'll have. Most likely, like in Warband, in Mountain Blade, yeah, in the Mountain Blade, you like have like 3 slots for weapons and stuff. So that I just took the same idea and just go with Minecraft amount of slots, and this is all you're gonna have. But also you're gonna have a backpack where you're gonna store different amounts of uh, items depending on the backpack size. And this thing right here, I will be updating armors, I will be making models for armors, and then I'll be making maybe a crafting space right here, and then some information what armor does and what it increases right here. But don't think you're gonna get more space for the inventory. And also I can decrease the size of the inventory, I can move it around, I can actually, as it scales down into this point, so I can change the point as well in debug mode. But that's all that a debug mode actually offers. The same goes with a book of knowledge. What? What? Okay. Oh yeah, you have to scale it down to see the effect. You cannot actually move it around. You can choose where it scales. Of course, I'll add this thing right here. You can move it around. But there's a lot of stuff that I will have to add for the book of knowledge. And the second thing I've added is the exit menu while in the game mode. Lots of games has it, so I have added my own. And this one has settings. Yay, choose settings. You can blur, you can choose texture blurring. You might have to change to HD resolution to see the changes, but here are they. And you can scale the textures. Basically, check this, the slider pops out. So basically I've done some buttons, a slider, and then buttons to confirm or cancel. So I will cancel that and go to the default values. Then there were a few tweaks for the hands. They move a bit more smoothly. No more rotations that looked really nasty and stuff. And then a bit of tweaks of animations, but there's one big difference right now. There's going to be a delay when you place a block. As you can see, I have pressed the button now and it places a bit later. And probably the best thing ever, of course I fixed the health bars, and now I can throw items at the slimes. But before that, I'm gonna show you that I actually apply physics to the world. And no longer this guy spins around as an item as in Minecraft. It just stays right there. But with the physics it looks much better. I can throw the stuff at slimes. Let's do this. Let's throw some sticks. Come on. Oh. You should actually look at him to see the damage. I'll tweak it a little bit more. There used to be a bug in Unity with the sticks that because they go really fast and they can go through blocks, but I fixed that. It's kind of jerky right now. It kind of stops in the middle of nowhere. If I can show that. Well, you would see the difference if I would wanted to show you that. But let's say it's not as buggy as in Minecraft with items. Though I'm not sure how it's gonna be with multiplayer. If I ever gonna catch on that road. So basically that's it. What else I'll be working on? Just as I said, modeling, armor stuff, and showing the status. I'm not sure anything else. Oh yeah, the throwing penetration. Once I'll make some weapons, which gonna come out in the next update, I'll do a throwing penetration, which means that if you throw a dagger into an enemy, it's just gonna stay in the enemy itself. So enemy will maybe want to try just take it out of himself like the skeleton would do, because it wouldn't harm that much to throw a dagger at him. And it wouldn't penetrate that much. Well, there's a lot of logic involved in this whole business, and I'm sure I'm gonna apply a lot of logic. Right now I will be working on the range of the items. I wanted to finish right now, but whatever. I'm just so lazy. I will tweak so it would reach out for the object rather than just swing the hand. It doesn't look good. But I will reduce the range, so if the pickaxe doesn't reach the object, you would not be able to destroy it. But I guess I'll just reduce the range. I'm not sure how I will do that. Okay, whatever. So maybe the next update will be after 2 months, maybe after 1 month. All I know, I will be doing this a bit faster than before because I have my new Windows, and I don't think I'm gonna change that anymore. And changing Windows is a bit of a stress hold and stuff like that. So I hope you like the update. Let me know what you think about that. I actually in my forums assume that this is going to be better than Minecraft. And all I know is that I freaking love the physics and that I can throw stuff at freaking slimes. If the slimes would move, this would be the best game ever, but of course I'm just joking around. There will be a lot more into this. A lot more. And I'll be implementing a lot more features that Minecraft does not have and should have if it would have any logic at all. So I guess that's it. I'm leaving you with this. Again, tell me what you think, because opinion is a big thing for me. And I'll try to go as fast as I can with the models. All I know, I want to change modeling as I did with the stick. I don't want to model it in a different program that takes a lot of time. Maybe I'll do an in-game modeling, I'm not sure. There's a lot of work with that. But all I know, I'm not going to do any generating stuff for a lot of time. I mean, all of these people that are making voxel engines start with this thing, and I don't want that. I want the gameplay. Oh, and I forgot to mention that everything is scaled right now. The GUI elements are scaled a bit, so you can see them clearly. Okay. So yeah, I will leave it with that. Goodbye and see you soon. Okay. Whoopsie daisy. Here's the torch. The flame is not bonded to the torch, so you saw the smoke coming out. Yeah, I forgot that.